up, guys? I am back. Today's video is going to be about showing you guys basically how to set up a newer. I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. It's not hard to set it up, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's in this box. I got it on Amazon. If you guys want to see how I set that up, please keep watching. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Right now there's no ring light, and then I'm gonna turn it on. You saw how it was like there's a shadow here because of my hand? I mean, even when I take off my hand, it's the same thing. That's like dim too. Oh, that's too bright. See, no light. This is light. I'm still gonna play around with this thing, and right now I have the orange filter. So I don't know if this is the okay shade. I don't have that much makeup on. I'll put like a little bit. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'm so excited for this ring light. Comment down below if you got a newer ring light too, or any ring light. Let me know how you guys liked it, how you guys like your own ring light, or like if you guys found a cheaper one. If you guys found a cheaper ring light, let me know. I'm like falling off of here. Actually, I can make it taller. It can reach my ceiling. The thing is, see, I'm short. Amazing. I just kept it the way it was. It was shorter. Like, this is perfect. I'm not even sitting down. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot more videos coming up. See you guys later. I'm gonna work out outside. Probably gonna get burned.
Party, banging body, spice. Now I like Molly, hotter than a sand. Eating halal, driving the land. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name?